How to enable or disable stop background sounds when locked on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Audio and Visual. And then tap on Background Sounds. And then we scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom here, tap on Stop Sounds when locked. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And it said that when enabled, background sounds will stop when iPhone is locked. And when it is unlocked, the background sound will start to play again. And so you can tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.